Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This reflects image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the notification icon. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So in the previous video, I gave you guys some free files to actually make use of. And in this video, I'll be doing the same also. I won't be doing much of manipulations again. Want to know how I remove my subject perfectly from the backdrop, how I clean the backdrop to this stage, how I actually apply snoot effect on this backdrop. Kindly watch my previous video. In this video, I'll just be showing you how to actually bring in flower petals and actually turn your image to something like this. Just to 2 clicks. I'll be giving me about 30 of them to actually download for free. Once you get the files for download, what you just need to do is just to join my Telegram group. The link is down in the video description. So once you go there, the files will be there and tons of other files which I'll actually drop ahead. Both practice materials, picture you can actually you work with and stuff like that. So, with no further ado, let's jump into action. The first thing you actually need to do, this layer over here, this layer is not necessary. This is just a sample layer. So let me just delete this right now. I just have to duplicate my layer right now by clicking on Ctrl J. Once I'm done with that, I'll select my subjects. I'll select my subject. So you can actually use any tool to select a subject. But I already saved my selection because I don't want to waste more time in this video. So I'll just go to where I actually saved it. I'm going to bring it back on. You can see this is my selection. I actually took my time in making that selection. Next thing I'll do right now is just to click on my marks too. Once I click on my marks, then you can see we have our subject without the backdrop. So let me turn this back on right now. Then I'm going to click on the backdrop. I'll go to my file manager. Then I'll go to where the flower petals are. I'll go to the folders. I'll go to the folders. You can see there are tons of them over here. There are tons of them. So I'll pick the one I actually want to make use of for this particular video. So let me pick this one right now and drag it to my Photoshop. Wait for it to load up. Let's wait for it to load up. So once it actually load up, I'm going to drag it down. I want this to be on the footer aspect of the picture, to be as if she's actually sitting as in on it. If the thing is on the floor, click on your OK. So to make this footer one look more realistic right now, you can just add a little bit of shadow to it because right now it seems as if it's putting on air. So to actually add shadow to it, just right click on it, then go to blend mode. Under that, wait for it to load up. Then let's try outer glow and see. Let's click on outer glow. Once you click on it, it's on ash already. So let's turn the ash, let's turn it to black. Boom. So once you turn it to black, the opacity, bring the opacity down very well. Let's bring it down. So let's just add a little bit of shadow to it. Let's spread it. Let's increase the size or the spread. The size is too much. Let's spread it out a little bit. Just a little bit of that is okay. Click on OK. So just to make sure it has a little bit of shadow that comes with it. So once we're done with this right now, let's pick the other flower petal that is going to be on our face. This first one we actually bring is on the footer area. So this time around, let's click on our subject because what we want to bring in has to be above our model layer. So we'll go back to our file manager again and look for flower petals we're going to be making use of. So let's go with this or this. And the beauty about most of these flower petals is that they actually have their own depth of field. So let me drag this to Photoshop now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see right now. So I'm going to actually adjust it to 45 degree. I'm going to turn it, sorry, 90 degree. Let's turn it 90 degree. 90 degree. You can see. Then I'm going to increase the size. Increase the size and increase the size. So drag it to the area I want it to be. So once I'm done with that, well, but the issue I'm having right now, there's more flower petals on the footer area than the upper area. So now let's turn this upside down. Let's turn it upside down. Let's turn it upside down. I think I like the way it is right now. And I'll adjust a little. Just have to click on OK once I'm done with that. So I'll wait for it to load up. Then I'm going to zoom in. You can see they actually came with their own depth of field, and it's looking very, very realistic enough. So what I just need to do right now is just to clean the area I don't want off. So for me to do that, I'll just create a mask on it. And I'll pick my brush tool. So whatever area I actually don't like this, let me say I don't like this. I'll make sure my brush color is on black. Make sure it's on black. I'll clean it up. As you can see, I'll clean it up. Any area I don't actually like, I'm going to clean that area up. You can see. So that's just it. Very, very simple and straightforward at the same time. So I hope this video helps a lot. If you actually do, don't forget to drop a like and actually share on your WhatsApp status. Someone out there might be in need of this video. If you're interested in getting of my picture editing file, they are really for sale on my store. You can actually visit my seller store today and make purchase. There are tons of files there you can actually purchase and improve your picture editing skill. So see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to join my Telegram group. If not, you won't have access to these files and lots more that are actually coming. Stay tuned, guys. Reflex out.
So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my presets file. So in case you're interested in buying any one, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.